morning and magandang araw, Philippines! I am Lourdes Angelica M. Funzulan, and I am representing Gordon Heights!
Uy! Miss Universe yan!
Siguro may dahilan, bakit mo pinapanood ang video ito? Naghanap ng tirahan? Naghanap ng tambayan? Or naghanap ng bagong experience? Pues, sinawerte ka! Dahil lahat ng iyon ay nasa Gordon Heights lang. Ang isang barangay sa Olongapo City, one of the major tourist destinations in the Philippines, dahil sa mga sikat na beaches and resorts. Halina! Alamin pa natin ang iba't ibang lugar dito! Welcome to Gordon Heights!
Simulan natin dito sa park. Tara! Dito nga pala, mahilig maglaro ang mga bata.
Children's Park, Playground, and Plaza. This was supported by Sangguniang Lungsod by virtue of Resolution Number 48, Series of 1995, funded by the City Government, the Barangay Council, and a share from the Sangguniang Kabataan ng Gordon Heights. Nag-start yung initial construction ng facility noong April 1997 and finally natapos siya noong August 1997. Yung promotion ng cultural, social, and general well-being ng mga resident ng Gordon Heights and the entire constituency ng Olongapo City, pati na rin yung reurbanization at development ng Barangay Gordon Heights as an integral part ng Olongapo City. The first free port city ng Philippines is primarily and foremost among the goals ng Barangay Council when the project was initiated. Ngayon, yung facility ay dedicated ng buong puso para sa mga residents ng barangay na ito, sa mga visitors, and most especially sa mga youth.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Now that we're here at the school, let me tell you a little bit of information about this school. Here we're walking around the halls where students would attend their classes. My grandma used to be a 1st grade to 6th grade teacher here. Now, I'd like to give you a little tour of the school. Let's go check out the covered court. So here, this is the covered court. This is where all students hold all of their organizations. And of course, this is where students practice for athletes. This is where teachers would hold on announcements and, of course, for students to hold. Now, surprisingly, the school has had made a partnership with the Security Bank Foundation. So let's go and check it out. Oh, you're already here. You got ahead of me. That kind of startled me, not gonna lie. Now that we're here in this building was built as a partnership with the school, and it was partnered with the Security Bank Foundation. Apparently, this building has about 16 classrooms and is the only private sector within the public school elementary. Now that I've given you a tour of the school, let's head out to the next location. Gotta go.
Waterfall in Gordon Heights, located at Block 8 for residents in Gordon Heights. It can only take 5 to 10 minutes riding a tricycle or jeep to get there, but for visitors, it can only take 10 to 15 minutes riding a white or orange jeep. After that, there is a 15-minute walk to get in the most quiet and peaceful waterfall here in Gordon Heights. The waterfall is naturally made by the environment, and it's a must-visit place for people who would like to unwind.
Maghanda na upang tuklasin ang nakatagong talon na kung saan ang kalikasan ay nagbibigay kasiyahan. Ito ay matatagpuan sa isang liblib na lugar na nagbibigay katahimikan at kapayapaan sa mga bisita. Dito lamang yan sa Gordon Heights, Olongapo City.
Hello
everyone! So, nandito po tayo sa ating last destination,
Ang main Catholic Church ng Gordon Heights,
kundi ang St. Anne Parish!
The St. Anne Parish ng Diocese of Iba was established in 1985 sa Block 1, Federico Street, Barangay Gordon Heights, City of Olongapo, Province of Zambales, ito matatagpuan. Ang parish fiesta ay sineselebrate every ika-26 ng Hulyo.
Welcome to Barangay Gordon Heights, the hidden gem of Olongapo City. Ang Gordon Heights ay naisabatas bilang dating baryo sa Republic Act 6199 at dating kabahagi lamang ng Barangay Santa Rita. Ngunit ito ay naging independent at itinalaga ng dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. bilang isang opisyal na barangay noong December 31, 1972. Isang visionary leader na tumulong sa paghubog ng Olongapo City. Ang Gordon Heights ay naninindigan bilang testamento sa kanyang legacy. Isang lugar na mayaman sa kasaysayan, ito ay sumasalamin sa matatag at mainit na diwa ng mga Pilipino. Ang Gordon Heights ay mayroong mahigit na 7,000 households. And as of 2020, ang nasabing barangay ay mayroong 31,000 na bilang ng populasyon. Ito ay napapaligiran ng iba't ibang nakakamanghang tanawin na maaaring pasyalan.